Hey everyone, welcome back to another drawing lesson. And what are we going to be drawing today, Summer?
Groot.
That's right, we're going to be drawing Groot. We're going to show you a really nice simple way to draw a young, cute Groot. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Tell our friends what supplies we're going to be using.
Sharpie, paper and our alcohol markers.
That's right, our Sharpie, our paper and our alcohol markers, but you can always use whatever you like. You can use coloring crayons or pencils, anything you like.
Or maybe you have the same as us.
Maybe. You ready to go?
Yes.
All right, high five for you. Let's draw Groot.
Grooty what?
Okay, the first thing we're going to start with is Groot's eyes. He's got nice big round eyes. So we're going to draw a nice big eye like that.
Over here.
A little bit more inside and a little bit lower. There you go, right there. Very good. And let's draw one on the other side. Same size. Yep. Very good. Let's draw some highlights. We drew a little circle or big circle and a little circle at the bottom. And let's color in Groot's eyes.
It doesn't matter who is done first.
No.
Just take your time.
We don't need to rush. We're going to take our time and have fun with our drawing. I'm going to make Groot's eyes a little bit bigger so I can draw a line around the outside of my eye.
Why do you need to?
I think my eyes were a little bit small. I want to make them a little bit bigger. Your eyes are looking awesome.
We finished Groot's video.
Yeah, we like watching Groot, don't we?
Yeah.
All right, the next thing we're going to do is Groot's mouth. And he's got a nice little smile just under his eyes in the middle. Just like that.
Here.
Yeah.
Can I do a different time?
Yeah, you can draw the mouth how you like to. Very cool. Good job. Okay, next thing we're going to do is draw the bottom of Groot's face. And we're going to draw kind of like an shape. So we're going to go from just next to his eye, around, and then up to his other eye. That's right. And then down under his mouth. Yeah. Yeah. And just don't make it too long. Just the flat part at the bottom.
And
kind of like
where
mine.
do we do the flat part?
About here. Just under his mouth.
Here.
Yep. I like you using your reference points. That's it. And then back up to your other point. Very good. Awesome work. And this part is going to be a little bit easier. We're going to draw a straight line going all the way up to about there. A little bit higher. A little bit higher with your line. You can make it a bit higher up. Yeah. You can do a reference point. It might be a little bit easier. So you draw a reference point over here. That's right. Yeah. Good job. And join those up. Very good. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little line coming inside like that. Because Groot's top of his head is a bit broken because he's like a tree.
Yeah.
So draw that line. Very good. And now what we're going to do is we're going to draw another line passing through. That's perfect. And let's start on the other side. Let's draw a line, a short line in like that.
Hello.
You got little sounds for your lines. Draw another one like this.
Hello.
And let's draw a line coming across. Yeah, you can draw it towards the up here.
Hello.
Very good. What is this funny noise you got? And let's draw another one.
Hello.
Okay, and how about we go and again go inside
Hello.
and we'll go down a little bit more, and let's go in a little bit.
Hello.
And then up this side, and we're gonna join near the top here. We can come down a bit more.
Hello.
Very good. You can also make funny sound effects like Summer's making.
Hello.
Okay, let's go up.
Hello.
Very good. And let's go across.
Hello.
Very good. And down. And maybe we can make like a little spike on this side.
Yeah.
Very good. And let's go across again. and then back down. Amazing! Great, you've done Groot's head. It looks super good. All right, next thing we're gonna do is Groot's body. You ready? Okay,
Groot's body is what?
Like a stick. He's like a sticky body.
Yeah.
Right, you ready?
Yes.
Next thing we're gonna do is Groot's body, and we're gonna draw 2 lines that come down. So just under his eye, about here, we're gonna draw a line that goes slightly out and down.
Stop here.
Yep. Very good. And let's draw another one. Stop. Try give yourself a little reference point about there. Yep. And you can draw it up to there. Very good. And now what we're going to do
like
is...
a dress.
Kind of like a dress. But now we're going to draw it coming back down, a little bit more straightened down. A little bit longer. Very good. And let's do the other side. And this is going to be down towards Groot's feet. Like you're measuring. Good job. Let's draw Groot's arms on the sides. So we're going to draw a little line that curves a little bit and down like that.
Here?
Yeah. Very good. And can you draw the same one on the other side? Just like that.
Yeah, because spider.
Good job. Yeah. And now we're going to draw
Monkey.
a little curve coming in. Just under his hand. A little curve like that.
Like a sleeve.
Like a sleeve. And down on the other side. Very good. All right. And now what we can do is we're going to draw kind of like an upside down V shape. So we're going to draw maybe a little reference point in the middle. And what we're going to draw is a line that goes up to that point and then down again. That's it. And then down again. Great job.
Yep.
Awesome. And what we can do, let's make the V part a little bit longer. Because that's going to be his feet. Good job. And then on the opposite side, we'll draw a little lines coming out a little bit. And then we can just curve the bottom of his feet a little bit. Amazing job. And what we're going to do is draw some of the stick parts.
Yes, like
It's walking, yeah. We're going to draw some of the sort of wooden parts of his body. So we're going to add some details in. So let's go and start drawing some details. And we can draw a little line like this.
You don't really need to copy us.
We don't have to be exactly the same. We're just going to add our own details for what makes him look nice like a tree. You ready for that?
Yeah.
Very good. I like it. You can give some space between your lines. Very good. Give yourself a little bit more space. Try to go to the other arm now. You're doing an awesome job. Very good. You can, that's right, perfect. Now it looks like his hands have like little fingers.
Yeah.
Good job. Now I'm gonna draw.
I like drawing a tree over here.
Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna do maybe a little sort of V in the middle and down here. Good work. And let's try to do something on his body too.
Yeah.
So we're just drawing lots of little details.
Draw my other tree. If you want, you can do some on your face.
Yeah, we can do something on the face as well. Very good. I like your details you're adding. Let's draw some on the side.
Done.
I really like those, Summer. And let's draw some small details here at the bottom of his feet, so it kind of looks like toes. I like these details you're putting in. You're thinking very creatively. Good job. And as you can see, our details aren't the same. So you can use the details that you like.
I'm going to draw a little leaf over here.
Oh yeah, of course. We can draw, because Groot is like a tree, we can draw some branches. Can draw one on that side, maybe a little one on this side too.
He's pulling off his leaves.
Yes.
Why does he like pulling off?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe he likes to pull them off. And don't forget, we need to add some details on his face too. So what we can do when you finish those ones, wow, you got a lot of leaves. Good job. How about we add some details to his face?
Yeah.
And this one we're gonna try to do a little bit more similarly. So let's draw a line down here, coming down like this.
If you want to, it can be the same.
Very good. And let's put a little little crack in that one. And let's go down the other one next to it. Very good. That's it. And let's make that one a bit longer. We can add another one at the top here. Let's do that one. Now we're really looking like Groot, aren't we? Draw that one. Maybe we can draw some more details over there. And let's bring that one down, make it a bit longer. Are you going to add your own? That's cool, I like it. You're doing really well. And I'm going to add another one here. Great job, I think we've done an awesome Groot. How's yours looking? Amazing job. Are you ready to color?
Yes.
We're going to fast forward through our coloring, but remember, Groot is brown and green, but you can always pause the video and catch up to see which colors we use. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a good high five. Boom. Let's do our coloring. Alright, Summer, you've done an amazing, cute Groot. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think yours too.
Oh, thank you very much, Summer. And it doesn't matter that they don't look exactly the same, is it? You've done your own little details, I did mine, and they both still look like Groot. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that lesson of Groot. If you liked our drawings, don't forget, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.